starts with the letter P? 3 countries.
I think I'm gonna break this.
Okay, 3 countries.
Philadelphia, Philippines.
Country. Okay, wrong. Naon. No, wrong. Archie, you can answer.
Portugal, Pakistan,
Hey!
Philippines!
Okay. Second question, score is 1-0. Is it true or false that corn is a vegetable? True or false? True. Corn is a vegetable?
Yes, it's not a fruit though.
Wrong.
What?
Archie, you can answer. That's right.
Google it.
TikTok it.
TikTok it.
right?
Yeah, TikTok it.
I'm not sure myself. Next question. Name 3 animals that have wings beside birds.
Bees, tarantula hawk. That's the answer.
What? No one knows. No one knows. Indonesian doesn't know.
Tarantula hawk, and flying fish.
No, flying fish don't have wings. No.
Wait, don't try.
Answer. Pass it. Okay. Next question. Okay, I'll make it easy for you. In what year M Series World Championship started? Oh.
2018.
Wrong.
Damn.
2019.
That is correct. Okay, score is 2-1. Which country had the most participants during the M Series?
Indonesia.
That is wrong. Arthur, do you have an answer?
Philippines!
So this is gonna be the last question. I'm gonna make it easy for you guys. In which country is M World Championship held consecutively?
Singapore.
That is correct. You are the winner.